BTC had a little down movement today. I got to update you guys on what I'm seeing on the charts. As always, we're going to go over the big picture, what I'm seeing here, a couple things to watch out for, what the wave structure is telling me for BTC, what I'm predicting for the near future here on the BTC chart, as well as Ethereum. Stick around. As always, guys, this is Elliott Wave Theory. It's my foundation of my trading. I would be lost without it. I'd be trading blind. If you guys want to learn Elliott Wave, if it interests you at all, check it out in the free Discord. I got a free Elliott Wave course, 3-hour long video boot camp, as well as 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts right here for your viewing pleasure. Just check it out right down, pinned in the first comment down below. Free Discord. Let's get into the analysis. Zoomed out view, guys. This is my most probable scenario. It doesn't mean it is my only scenario. It is just, out of everything I'm seeing on the charts, my most probable. Not by a country mile, not by a lot, but if I had a gun to my head, this is what I'm expecting BTC to do. A leading diagonal to the upside or an ending diagonal. Looking to reverse around 150. Looks good, staying in this trend line. As of right now, that is what I'm playing. As we can see in here, I am playing this down move. I'm playing at least a correction here. There are other counts at play, guys. You need to understand that this is not the only count that I'm aware of, the only count that I am playing. There's definitely variations, and how I was looking at this before, that we can have 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, this can be your fifth wave finished right here. Let me just delete some of this stuff. This can be your fifth wave finished right here. And we have 1, 2, 3, a very deep 4 wave into wave 5. That's our wave 5, took out the high. That's our fifth of the fifth, and we're looking for a big correction right now. Like, we are in the midst, in the beginning stages of a larger correction. Another reason why I want to be short up here. If you guys are breakout trading this, if you see the breakout and you are longing this, I hope you guys make money. I really do. That's just not my style. I've never been successful in the breakout trades. That's just not what I do. But if you find success in breakout trading, hey, more power to you. Do whatever makes you money at the end of the day. Don't listen to me. If you're making money doing your own thing, keep doing your own thing, dude. But this is just nothing I would ever long up here, ever, a day in my life. I'm looking at shorts up here. If you watch this channel, you know I'm looking at shorts up here. We're going to zoom in one moment here. Something else, a different count that I'm getting is we can say that our wave 5 is finished right here. We're in the middle of a correction down, correction up, impulse down. Like, that is my correction. I'll just draw in an ABC here for you. Another big move to the downside here would be the implications of this, and then we start hitting to the upside. Or we could start correcting out a little further and longer. Something like so. All right. These moves are so far into the future. These moves are so big, guys. I'm really not concerned with them. I like to have a little bit of a roadmap as to where I'm going, but I'm a day trader. You guys know that. So I'm really concerned with what's going on in the 1 hour, 4 hour charts. Skip on over here. Just sit on the 4 hour. The entire move up from the bottom at 75K here. As you guys know, on this channel, we were long down here. We caught this entire move to the upside right there. And tried starting out shorts right here. Let this play out, and we are shorting this up here as well. I don't see a reason to change my bias as of right now. It looks like a completed structure. Things are starting to fall apart here, and I do see this trend line breaking on BTC. We need to reset RSI, guys. You know, if we go to the daily time frame, let's get a reset. I'm not looking at a flush. Momentum is pretty thick here on the daily. I'm looking at more so of a consolidated kind of retrace of this entire leg up. That's why I'm sitting here playing, let me refresh this, playing this count as my primary. And I'm just playing a consolidation here, pump up. Consolidation here, pump up. Like, that's part of the reason why I'm playing this count as my primary. I'm very aware that we have some bearish divergence. I'm very aware there's a possibility that we just tank from here, guys. I'm not naive to that, and I'm not ignorant of that, but my most probable scenario, I'm just playing a retrace. Delete some of this. We're going to zoom in close up here. I'm just going to switch over to ETH real quick and show you guys my primary on ETH. This is on the daily time frame. It looks really, really, really good to me right now. This is that consolidated correction. Probably won't extend out this far in time. Probably be something quicker like so. But I do want to come into this imbalance in the charts right here on ETH. This is around 2K. There's people in my comments saying 2K. No way, Alex. We're never going on to 2K ever again. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I really don't know what to tell you. Sure. I guess we can never go down to 2K again, but I mean, not from what I'm seeing. That's all I got to say. I like this ABCDE triangle. This is the most probable wave structure I'm getting with what has happened in here. As you guys know on this channel, when we were up here, I told everyone to watch out for this flat. I wanted to see liquidity taken down here. If this was a flat, we dipped way down below, but it's still completely valid. Looks great. And I'm looking for a corrective move to the upside, testing out this upper trend line. And then we'll come on down, one last liquidity sweep before big time pumps, guys. I'm giga bullish on crypto. I'm giga bullish on ETH and BTC. Like, don't get it twisted. But as a trader, I mean, I'm not going to sit here and wait fucking 2 years for a pump. Like, I want to trade the ups and downs. It's so easy for me to say, oh yeah, ETH is going to 7K, 8K, 10K ETH, BTC to 200K, 250K BTC incoming. Okay, but how do we get there? That's what I try to deliver to you guys on this channel. How do we get there? What is the roadmap looking like? That's where Elliott Wave makes things completely clear for me. It defines the structures for me, and I have a pretty good idea of the possibilities on how we make our way to these levels. That's what I try to bring to you on this channel. Subscribe if you're not already, by the way. But yeah, this triangle looks great for Ethereum. Still playing a corrective move here with a hit to the upside when all is said and done. I will be looking at longs if we get this move. I will be looking for longs, and I'll be looking for shorts up here. But this is so far in the future, not even worried about it right now. We're just worried about trading the smaller time frames. Over in the premium Discord, guys, I did post 2 shorts this morning. Boom, right at the tippy tops of these moves. And we have a dump to follow. So if you guys want to follow my trades, if you guys want to see how we trade with Elliott, and I don't just use Elliott Wave, guys. I use a lot of different things to come up with my trades and how to service my trades, moving stop losses, TPs, all that stuff. Check out Premium Discord. Just click upgrade here in the free Discord. See everything that's included. We do live streams. We got extra live charts for you. So much more. Take your requests, all that good stuff. Just check it out here in the free Discord. Let's go smaller time frame on this. Let's go smaller time frame on this. Looking at the hourly. What I want to see here, I really need this to be the top. I really need this to be the top. And we are pivoting to the downside now. I genuinely like an ABC coming into play here. Looks like we have much further to go until possibility of some type of a consolidation back to the upside. We might want to put in a flat. We might want to put in some different type of corrective structure when this finishes down here. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Right now, I'm just locked in on this immediate structure. And what I'm seeing here is more of a... I don't see an impulsive wave to the downside. I have an impulse here. I want to have an impulse kind of match up with that here. I don't see that even close yet. I have a 1-2, maybe another 1-2, looking for 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That's why I'm targeting down here at 100K on this move. That's what I'm targeting on the shorts that I'm in currently. Over on Blowfin, we are short. And before we continue with the close-up analysis, guys, if you want to trade on Blowfin, they are my main exchange. If you've been watching this channel, you know that by now. Oh shit, I got the wrong banner up, guys. My bad. Here we go. There we go. Put my Blowfin banner up. They're my main exchange. If you guys want to give them a try, they're no KYC. They're the best no KYC exchange out right now. You get 15% deposit bonus. Cash in that 15% deposit bonus over on Blowfin. Plus, with my link, you also get VIP reduced trading fees over on Blowfin. So get your reduced fees automatically. Get your 15% deposit bonus. Do not miss that. It's right here, pinned in the first comment down below, or use code CHARTJunkies. Take advantage of that now. Let's get back into the analysis here. I'm targeting 100K on BTC. It looks great. The 1618 is down there at like 101, 100K, somewhere down in there. You guys know I'm going to be TPing along the way. I'm TPing on liquidity sweeps. I'm TPing on imbalances in the chart. Here's the major level for, where I see a lot of liquidity line, major imbalances line on the chart. That's why I'm targeting down there. But I'm TPing along the way. Similar on ETH. I'm not going to go over that, but I did post the trades over in the premium Discord for premium members, and that is what I'm currently targeting. I want to see 5 waves to the downside. I want to see this trend line right here kind of hold. If this is a true 1-2-1-2, this trend line should hold. We should not really rip above this trend line. So whenever we're done correcting here, continuing our push to the downside, really get some clearance, and then we can come back and test out the trend line. All right, so that's what I'm looking for immediately. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to be traveling tomorrow, catching a flight. But I might post a video tomorrow night. Subscribe if you're not already. Like the video if you get something out of these videos, guys. Check out all the links pinned in the first comment down below. Drop a follow over on X. Big time over on X, baby. You're missing content if you're not following me on X. My Instagram's linked down there, all that good stuff. Trade safe, everyone. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Love you. Bye.